Cannabis Crackdown, 2 arrested in Tableview ahead of new regulations. In a significant operation on Thursday, 27th of February 2025, Tableview police cracked down on alleged illegal cannabis activities at a residence on Belvedere Road. Acting on a tip-off, law enforcement officials seized 102 live cannabis plants, 4,000 grams of dried cannabis, and various items used for cultivation. The street value of the seized goods is estimated at approximately $422,400. The raid resulted in the arrest of a 51-year-old male and a 42-year-old female. Both suspects are facing charges of cultivation and dealing in cannabis and are scheduled to appear in the Cape Town Magistrates Court on Monday, 3rd of March 2025. This law enforcement action occurs at a transitional moment in South Africa's cannabis legislation. President Cyril Ramaphosa signed the Cannabis for Private Purposes Act 2024 into law on the 28th of May 2024. Although the act has been passed, it is not yet in force, pending a commencement date to be announced by the president. The new legislation will allow adults to possess and cultivate limited quantities of cannabis for private use, significantly changing the current legal landscape where such activities remain criminal offenses. Under the forthcoming law, individuals can cultivate up to 4 flowering plants in private. Possession limits include up to 600 grams of dried cannabis in private settings. Sharing of specified small quantities of cannabis will be permitted without remuneration. Despite these impending changes, the South African Human Rights Commission, SRC, has voiced concerns about the ongoing arrests and human rights complaints, particularly within the Rastafari community, related to cannabis. The SETJARC has reached out to the National Commissioner of the South African Police Service, highlighting these issues. Legal experts and activists continue to monitor developments closely, urging prompt enactment of the new regulations to prevent further penal enforcement against what will soon be legal activities. Meanwhile, the community and stakeholders wait for clarity as existing laws remain effective until the new act is officially promulgated. This case in Tableview illuminates the challenges and intricacies faced by both law enforcement and the public as South Africa navigates this significant shift in drug policy. Thank you for choosing Satori News.